Hey everybody, and welcome back to Fun with the Fab Fork with me, registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin. So, have you ever needed a certain type of soup as an ingredient for one of your recipes, but you just didn't have it in the pantry? Well, here's the good news. You can often make it yourself. Today we're going to make homemade cream of chicken soup. It can be found in a variety of recipes, including our next video coming soon, chicken, rice, and vegetables. You only need a handful of ingredients that you probably already have in stock. So let's get started. As always, thank you so much for watching, and especially for subscribing. We look forward to seeing you next time at Fun with the Fab Fork. Peace, love, and good eating.